Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to discuss revision block 2 houses then and now. Yes, so in this block we already discussed how were the houses in the villages and cities earlier and now. Okay, so first we can discuss what are the practice questions in the textbook. Okay, so first it is fill in the blanks, right? So fill in the blanks we discussed thousands of years ago when people moved from one place to another, they lived in dash, they lived in curves. Okay, thousands of years ago when people moved from one place to another place, they lived in curves. Second one, houses in cities today are mostly dash buildings. The houses in cities are today multi-story buildings. Okay, multi-story buildings. Third one, in earlier times, houses in dash had verandas and courtyards. In earlier time, houses in cities had verandas and courtyards. Nowadays, many houses in villages are made of bricks. Nowadays, many houses in villages are made of bricks. Okay. Next question. People in villages usually cook their food in dash. People in villages usually cook their food in earthen chulas or mud stove. Next question. Huts made of mud have dash roof. Huts made of mud have thatched roof. Okay. So these are the fill in the blanks question we have to discuss. Then second question is, what materials are used to build a house? What is your house built of? So we can write different materials used to build the house. Yes, bricks, cement, wood. Then we know tiles, marbles, iron rods, steel, aluminium. So like that many materials we can write. Okay, so what are the materials used to build your house? That also you can write. The materials we used to build, we can write glass, wood, cement, bricks. Okay, so what are the things used in to build your house that you can study. Okay, next question is, write two differences between multi-story building and a single-story building. So first we should know what is single-story, double-story and multi-story. Single-story means only one floor will be there. Okay. Double-story means two floors will be there. Multi-story means more than two floors. That means many floors will be there. It's just like a flat or apartment. Okay. So single-story house has one floor. Double-story house has two floors. Multi-story houses have more than two floors. Okay, more than one or two floors. That means many floors will be there. Okay. Two differences between multi-story building and single-story house. So first we can say single-story has only one floor. Multi-story has many floors. Single-story, one family can live. Multi-story, many families can live. In single story, there will be more open spaces, isn't it? Verandas, courtyards, everything will be there. But in the case of multi-story building, there will be no more open spaces. Okay, so like that way you can write two or three differences. Next question, what three things you would want in a house and why? I want veranda because free time I can sit and sit there. I want garden because I like flowers. I want bedrooms. Like that way you can write any three things you want. Okay. So I want lawn because it is very beautiful to see. So like that way you can write any three things what you want in your house. Next question is, why are houses changing in cities? We know city is very busy place, right children? So many people from the villages are moving into cities for job. Hence there will be no more open spaces in cities. So the people are building, so people need to build their houses, isn't it? So they build houses like multi-story. Okay. So that is why the houses in cities are changing. So why the houses in cities are changing? Yes, it is because of the people from villages move to cities for job and they need to build their houses. Hence there is no more open spaces in cities. So the people are making multi-story buildings. Okay, that is why the houses in cities cities are changing. Next, why do people live in different houses? Yes, people live in different houses because of some reason. Some people like to live in big house, so that they are living in big house. Some people like to live in small house. That is why they are living in small house. Some houses will be expensive for others. Okay, and some people have more money with them, so they will make big houses. Some people do not have that much money with them, isn't it? So they make small houses. So there are many reasons are there because of there are many reasons we can say why the people are making different houses. Okay. Then seventh question: how are mud huts different from brick house? How are they similar? So we know mud huts are made of mud. Brick house are made of bricks. Okay, that is one difference we can find. Mud huts are small, brick houses are big. Okay, then mud house there will be only one room for cooking, sleeping, and in mud house there will be only one room for cooking and sleeping. But in the case of brick houses there will be more rooms for separate rooms will be there for cooking and sleeping. Okay, so like that way you can write differences. Then next question, how are they similar? One more question is there, right? How are mud huts different from brick houses and how are they similar? So similarities we can say both houses give shelter to people, isn't it? Both houses people can live. Both houses give shelter from heat, cold, wind, from wild animals, etc. Like that way you can write the answer. You can study the answer. Okay. The next question is, which is better, living in multi-story building or in a single-story house? Which one? It is your own choice. You can write. Yes, I would like to live in single-story house because there will be more open spaces, verandas, everything will be there in single-story houses. So I can play from there. So like that way I can support it. I can write the answer, one answer. Then what is the another answer we can give? Yes, I would like to live in multi-story building because in multi-story building many family can live in one building or it is very big. Like that way also we can give the answer. So this much only we discussed in today's revision class. Then next week, two more terms you should remember, children. What is urban and rural? The word urban means city. Okay, urban houses means city houses and rural houses means village houses. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. So we will continue the next blocks in the next revision class. Okay, bye.